Guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and on this episode we are going to be making homemade iced tea. Delicious, guys. This is perfect for the summer hot days that we are in now. Now the ingredients are very simple. This is my all-time favorite making it, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Now let's get right to it because it's really simple and easy. And now let's begin. Alright my friends, right here I have a bowl. It's just easy for me to demonstrate this for you, but you don't have to use a bowl if you don't want to. And right here I have 6 bags of black tea. Now I feel that black tea is a perfect tea to make homemade iced tea, because for one, black tea is a smooth herb and it is wonderful in my opinion and how an iced tea should taste like. But if you have a preference, you can certainly use it, and any brand will do. This is just a store brand. I took whatever was on sale, so use your discretion in that manner. It really doesn't make a difference. Now I have 6 tea bags right here, and over here I have some hot water already boiled, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. This is 5 cups of hot water, and we're gonna steep our tea bags. Soak this down a little bit just to get all the flavors out. It has been 20 minutes that I allowed this to seep, and look, it has gotten nice and dark, and now it's ready to remove our tea bags. Be careful that your liquid is not too hot. You just want to squeeze and remove as you go. So after you finish removing your tea bags, as I touch, my tea is still warm, it's cooling off, and that's exactly what you want to do. You don't want to shock it so quickly, because we're going to put the sugar in here, and the sugar will dissolve better if your tea mixture is warm. So right here I have 1 cup of sugar first, then I'm going to see how it tastes, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda is what's going to smooth out any bitterness from the tea, because it does get pretty bitter when you use certain tea blends. So I want to make sure that my iced tea is nice and smooth and sweet. So I'm just going to stir this in and give it a quick taste. Okay my friends, so I'm going to be using a funnel to help me pour in my juice right in here. Perfect. And as you can see, I made a mess. I'm going to clean up my mess, and I'm going to add some more. Fill up some nice cold water in here, and I am putting 4 cups. Now this jug is a 1/2 gallon, so you can make as much as you want. And then I'm going to be putting in my lemon slices. Leave a little space for your lemon slices, and then that's it. I won't be putting ice in here because I don't want to water down my juice, you know, my iced tea. But that is it. And now let's do a taste test. Pretty full. Okay my friends, so I had a nice cup of ice cooling in the freezer, getting ready for this moment. I'm just gonna put some lemon wedges inside, and I'm going to pour in. Look at that. So delicious. Now let's do a taste test.
Okay, my friends, it is time to do that taste test. Oh my God, let me tell you.
This is so much healthier making it on your own rather than getting the powder juice mix. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love them too, but this is so much better. Wow. So smooth. No bitter taste. And to me, the black tea is so much more flavorful. Even though it's mild and smooth, like you know it's there. It's not like it tastes like water or anything. But it's so much more refreshing. So much, so much, so much. So thank you, my friends, for joining me today in my kitchen. It's always a pleasure of cooking along with you. So give this a try. You're gonna love it. Super easy, super refreshing, so good for you too. I can't help myself. So good for you too. Really, really a wonderful, to me, the best tasting iced tea that I have ever came across. I normally don't like the taste of the Seep tea bags because to me it has like a bitter taste and it was just never my thing. But after experimenting and seeing what other flavors are out there, I tried it with the black tea. Let me tell you, I am hooked, and forever I will be, because this to me is the best that you ever gonna have. So thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, I have my social media sites. I will be listing all the ingredients. Visit me through there, chat with me, let me know what you want me to make next, because I read all your comments. I love to interact. So engage with me in some type of conversation. Let me know what you want me to make next before the summer's out, and then that's it. I'll see you next time, my friends. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.